Christmas suspicion.
Have you been a good girl? Have you been good? Has he been? Has he been? Ho, ho, ho! I think he's been. I think he's been. What have you got? What's that? Someone's most excited. Little teeth.
Wasting no time.
What's that, honey? Oh, she's happy she had a squeaker.
No, she prefers the paper.
Of course she does. What's this one? What's this? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, honey. What's this one? Hey. I'm sure she's really happy, isn't she? She's so happy. She's living her life. Oh, we found another one. This one's off.
There's 2 honey and it's from Dax.
Oh, it's from Dax. Hey, honey, what's this? Is another present. Oh, she loves the present, doesn't she? It's the little teeth I love. Have you seen the little teeth? Look. Oh, she's got it. Oh, what's this? She's plastic. She's trying to go straight through the wrapper into the plastic, she is. What is it, honey? She loves it, doesn't she? I could actually just get all of her old toys, wrap them up, and put them on the floor and she'd be in her element. She absolutely loves opening presents. She's been making a beeline for ours. It's good job we found this one. Oh, what have you got there? Wow, wow, look at this. You got 2. Wow, barbecue bangers. And you got bone. Is someone happy? You happy, girl? Oh, I think she's very happy. She said, these smell absolutely delicious, Dad. I really want one of these. Do you really want one of these? How much do you want one of these? How much do you want one of these? Do I get a paw? Oh, you're a good girl. Are they nice? What do you like them?
More.
More. You've got to go in the car though, so I don't give you too much. Honey, we found more presents. These are from Peppa. Oh, look. What have you got? You got more. She's mastered how to do it, hasn't she? She's got her own little technique. Oh, shit.
Give me hold this one for you.
Oh.
There you go.
Snip. Teeth. Oh. Look.
She's in.
I think she might help.
On that one then.
Try this one. I think it's because it's sellotape. No, she definitely wants that present. Ooh, what is that, honey? So what does it say? Scrumbles? What's a scrumble?
Scrumbles and ashes.
Give her one then. See. Oh. I can tell the edible. She's all over there, isn't she? Look at that. No, she can't get in the packet quick enough. Right, we think this is the last one. Is this one off Peppa too? Yeah. This one's off Peppa too. Last one. She has to take a brief break, didn't she? So she could eat a scrumble. Oh, here we go.
Go that way.
Little claw going this time. Oh, look. Oh, this one comes in a big box. Wow, look, you got gravy bones. You love them. Are they turkey flavour for Christmas? Oh, look, she's trying to get them. She's like, no, this box is opening. Just open it, Dad. Open it.